we're going to use synergistic training. 10, rack it up. Welcome back to the BeFitNow channel. Robert here, your certified fitness coach. And today we're going to focus on core and chest power. Chest is one of the largest muscle groups responsible for all our pushing movements. Developing this muscle really boosts our metabolism and enhances our overall health by promoting growth hormone secretion as well as testosterone, so you can really get those muscle gains. Core, critical to complement all our chest work. It not only does it stabilize the spine, it also stabilizes the pelvis, which really gives you the foundation you need to create all that push power. Today we're going to take our athlete through a series of synergistic workouts to boost the chest and the core. Let's begin. For our first circuit today, we're going to use synergistic training. Synergistic training is a great way to really enhance the muscle. What it does is it fatigues you in the first exercise, and because your muscle is tired, when you switch out to the second one, it thinks it's still lifting the same weight you did the first time around. So you get twice the benefit in half the time. Our first circuit is going to be incline chest press, Smith machine using the Mr. Monster, and then we're going to jump out and do incline flies using the cable feature on the Mr. Monster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Rack it up. And we're going to do a fly movement. 1, 2, excellent cadence. 3, see how the athlete fights the negative. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Excellent set. Starting our second set, incline press. 1, 2, 3, slow that negative. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, let's squeeze through it, 12, 13, 2 more, let's go, 14, 15, excellent, rack it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, come on, you can do it, 8, 9, give me one more, and 10, excellent. Controlling that negative is critical. It really elongates the muscle and forces all the blood and nutrients in there that you need to really grow and develop that power. Make sure you don't cheat on that negative. Slow down, then you explode up. All right, we're starting our third set. We can always adjust our rep range when we're doing volume training. The key with volume training, especially synergistic volume training, is to make sure there's little rest and maximum muscle pump. We can adjust those reps to compensate for that fatigue that sets in. Let's go, third set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, looking strong, 13, squeeze it out, 14, one more big one, and 15, nice, rack it up. 1, 2, 3, excellent cadence, 4, 5, see how he's really driving that blood in there? Look, 6, look at that chest flex, 7, 8, Come on, 2 more. 9, 1 more big one. 10, awesome. Now we're jumping into leg raises. One thing to remember about the abs is they're a very high volume muscle. So there's no real set repetition limit. Do as many reps as you can until you're fatigued and your form starts to falter. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you really want to control that negative. 5, this is where you'll get that pump. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, let's go, knock out 3 more, 13, 14, squeeze that core, and 15, nice. We're gonna bring those legs straight out. 2, we're gonna control that negative. 3, 4, nice and high. 5, 6, 7, squeeze it through. 8, you got 2 more in you, I know it. 9, 1 more big one, and 10. Starting our 3rd set of leg raises, we're gonna pay attention to our negative speed. We're gonna bring the legs right up in a stiff, straight format, and then we're gonna control and slowly lower back to neutral position. Let's go. 1, 2, slow that negative. 3, 4, 5, 6, excellent pelvic action. 7, 8, 9, and 1 more big one. 10, excellent. For our 2nd circuit, we're gonna switch to flat chest press on the Mr. Monster Smith machine, followed by cable presses using the cable feature. Let's show you how that's done. 1, 2, 3, slow that negative. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, give me 2 more. 11, 1 more, and 12, rack it up. Staggered stance, stepping forward, pressing front and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, let's go, 2 more. 11, 1 more, and 12, excellent. All right, starting our 2nd set of our flat chest press and fly combo, let's begin. 1, 2, excellent. 3, 4, 5, 6, notice that negative control. 7, this is where he's building his power. 8, 9, 1 more big one, let's go, explode out, and 10, excellent. Staggered stance, pressing forward and down. 1, 2, really engaging that chest. 3, 4, again, excellent negative control. 5, exploding into that positive. 6, driving all that blood in there. 7, feel that pump. 8, 9, let's go for it. 2 more. 10, 11, let's give me 1 more big one. And 12, excellent. All right, now we're going for our 3rd set of flat chest press using the Mr. Monster Smith machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, slow that negative. 5, excellent. 6, 7, 8, 9, come on, let's squeeze it through. 10, 11, 1 more, and 12, excellent, rack it up. Now we're gonna jump into our standing chest press using the cable feature on the Mr. Monster. Remember, the muscle is fatigued, so we're tricking it into thinking that it's still pushing the same weight as the athlete was bench pressing just now, so you get twice the benefit in half the time. Let's go. Staggered stance, pressing forward and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, excellent cadence, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it's a beautiful range of motion, 11, and 12. We're going to do our knee tucks. Knee tucks, you bring your legs up into your abdomen as you rotate your body forward, and then you slowly return back to the neutral position. We're out on the outside of the leg raise tricep feature for the Mr. Monster, and we don't need a lot of reps to really get that burn in. So we're going to go for about 8. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one more big one, 8, slow, nice. Jumping into our next set of knee tucks, one thing to note, it really takes the hip flexors out of the equation. A lot of ab movements involve hip flexors, so you still feel it in the abs, and the abs are engaged, but you're not getting 100% of the action on the ab. The knee tuck takes the emphasis and places it directly on the abs, removing the hip flexors from the equation. So it's a critical movement. You should include it in your workout. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, see how the pelvis is coming nice and high. 4, 5, those knees are coming right up into the abdomen. 6, 7, 8, we're going to squeeze out 2 more. 9, and 10. Awesome. All right, starting our third and final set of the knee tuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, looking good. 7, 8, 2 more. 9, and 10. Excellent. We're going to switch into the decline chest press. This is a great exercise to really chisel the bottom of the chest and give you that well-rounded shape. Let's begin. 1, 2, slow that negative. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, and 12. Excellent. All right. What we're going to do to superset our decline press is we're going to jump out and do incline push-ups. With push-ups, rep range is to your comfort. If you can do 5, great. If you can do 30, go for it. Let's begin. 1, 2, slow that negative. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, looking strong. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2 more. 14, and 15. Excellent. All right, starting our second set. Remember, we're using a weight. We can do 8 to 12 reps. If you're hitting 8 only, drop the weight for the next set. If you're hitting 12, don't be afraid to knock out a few more. And then on the following set, up the weight further. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, nice and easy. 11, 12, give me one more. 13, excellent. Starting the superset of incline push-ups, one thing to note, we're doing the incline push-up because it complements the same muscles that you were using on the decline chest press. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow that negative. 6, 7. Nice. 8. Excellent form. 9, 10, 11. Let's go. 12. 3 more. 13, 14, and give me a big squeeze on the last one. 15. Excellent set. Since our athletes smashed out 13 reps of the last set, what we did is we increased the weight to fall back into that 8 to 12 rep range. We increased it by 20 pounds. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give me one more. 11. Excellent. Our third and final set, supersetting incline push-ups. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow that negative. 6, 7, 8. Nice. 9, 10, 11, 12. Looking good. 13. 2 more. 14 and 15. Excellent set. We showcase complementary superset chest exercises followed by challenging core exercise. Now, if you want to look like our athlete here today and share this with your friends, click that like button. As always, any questions, place them in the comment section below. And to catch our next video, be sure to subscribe. BeFitNow.